Hello friends, in this video we will do the other operation on database table, update, insert and delete operations. In last video you see the select query and get the data from database. Now in this video we will insert student, delete student and update student. For insert we use the age and name, for delete we pass the SID, and for update we use the age and name. This is not age, is ID. This is ID. Mistakenly. For insert student, pass age and name. Escalate 3 statement. We declare. Now we get the path from path method or document directory. Now open the database. Database open. We fire the prepare statement. Now we bind text for column 1. In this query we insert into student name, age, values, comma. For first argument we pass the sname, and for second argument pass the age, it is integer. Then we create three statement will be executed. Now after this we will finalize the SQLite and close the data. For delete, we pass the SID and student ID. We declare the student statement and get the path. Now open the database. Now delete SQL will be delete from a student where ID equal to %d, SID. Now we prepare the statement. If it is still done, then database delete row will be deleted. And this is for the delete statement. Now for update, it will update the name of student. Pass the SID and name. We declare the statement object, then get the path. Now we update query will update student set name equal to %, where ID equal to %d. Sname will be the modified name and SID will be the ID of the student, where whose name need to be changed. Now we finalize the student and close the database. These are all the methods we declare in database files. For this we need another view controller which have two text field, one for age, one for name, and save for update, delete for delete, and add for new. Here is the two text field. These all are the connected with file loader. The file loader will have all the view, name field, age field, and both the delete, add, and save button. So all are connected XIV to the main header files. The main header file, the detail here, 2 properties for name and age, and 3 action, so add, delete, and update for save, and one of student object that will be passed from view controller to the detail controller, and to pass the information from one controller to the another controller. For this, we declare the detail view controller. Then in view controller dot is2 object equal to is2 array object at index dot button dot tag. This will be when we click on edit button, the button tag value will be used to get the data from mutable array, and this data will be stored in detail controller view controller object student object. Now let's see. Then we navigation go to we push the detail view controller in the step. Here you see, now we click and then jack and 22 is passed to the this controller. Now student object will get the information from view controller. We synthesize the property. This is very important. This is we pass that object from one controller to another, or we pass the information in object format. Here we open the database. Now we click the on delete button, delete student and student ID. These two object is have the student object and dot ID. Now this will delete. Now we click to delete. The data is deleted from the database. Now add and save. Here we click on edit. Now we click add the value. Now update, this value will be updated. This only update the name of the student, nothing else. Last is add. We add on the edit field. So when we click on add button, new field row will be inserted into the database. To student, we pass the value of text field name and text field age. Now add button will be. So one more row is inserted in database. In new iOS phone, you can close the application by home button, press home button, and then swipe we will delete. Close the application. Now one thing, if you want to update data at this time, you need to call the database method, view will appear, otherwise app will load the data. Next time app is open in the on. If it come from background to foreground, it will not update the data. Now in this, change the data, it is not changed because of it. We call the database get student from the view did load. This will call at the time application come from close state to running state. to reflect it instantly on view pop and push. You need to for database query and view will appear. So whenever update inside delete data is called, it will come in view will appear. Now edit it. It will be shown. Thanks.